I know you are jealous, people. I know. We know it. We both know you're jealous. For a really good reason. Julika, can you pose with our gentleman? So, here we go.
Yeah.
The young people. Young people, they will be like, shh. So, and we go up there. Wie heißt das auf Schweizerdeutsch? Wohin wir gehen, blaue Sonne. Leiteregg.
Yeah. Now you're just going to the chairlift, and then here it's about 30 minutes to the first part, and then you take the right side here, the right one. That one, that's about the same from the difficulty. That needs about 2.5 hours, and that with break about 4.5 hours.
No, we stay with this.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Rainy. Hello. Tell me how your mood, please.
My mood is fantastic because I was planning this Via Ferrata quite a while. Yeah, I got the idea like 1.5-2 years ago that I would like to go up again, because 10 years ago I was going first time in my life doing Via Ferrata.
Why it's black now?
That's no problem.
Okay.
And yeah, finally I found my person. It's me. Who was on the same level of joy to do that, and also have experience. So and look around. So we find a fantastic place near to Zurich. This is a K3 level of Via Ferrata, and this is in Glarus in Switzerland, and there is a couple of tours around this mountain, and we will do a short but complicated part. We will see how far we will go. So maybe we go also up there to K5. If we are in the right mental state, we will see when we get up there. Yeah. But the weather is perfect for that, and also the mood, the body is good. So I would say this is where or how the dream come true on my side. And your side?
Yes, my dream is also come true. Peace and bless.
Yes,
It's very,
yes.
very beautiful.
Can you tell me a little bit about when you started with Via Ferrata?
3 years ago, I met one guy. He invited me in the train for his tour. He was guide, and and he showed me how it's in Switzerland works Via Ferrata. So it was my first time.
We are now on the halfway towards our destination. There's a Leiteregg. Julika is walking in front of me with this green backpack, and yeah, after 10 years, let's see how we will go up there, and after we will see. It's really, really pretty out here. So we are up to climb up there, right? So we're gonna see.
Rainy.
Let's let the professionals go. Look, the guy just departed.
Happy. Beauty and happy.
So we, Julika, the other happy lady, and myself, We are doing the digital detox. Deeply recommended. Julika, how is the fun level?
The level is nice and just to walk.
Exactly. So, somebody will come take off. Look, my hooks. That's my road up there. All right. So fantastic. I deeply recommend. So we are having a little nap for food and going up there. So Julika, we are almost up there.
Yeah.
What's the feeling? Hook yourself immediately, hook yourself. Immediately hook yourself. Bitch! People. Yeah? Not funny. Look at it. 2,000 meters under her pussy. Whose name is on György? Who is that person? No, that's me. Here. Definitely was a good idea. Now we are blocking the highway. Let's go.
No, we can.
Julika, we did it, yeah? So our goal is achieved. So now you can talk about your feelings.
First.
Yeah, I'm getting tired. I need one more magnesium to go down. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, it's very wonderful.
Really wonderful. I'm a little bit proud and tired. So tense.
Yeah.
We are going down now. How could you explain this to the people what we have down there? So 1, 2, 3 peak, yeah?
Yeah.
And we came down on the absolutely straight wall. Okay? And after we had to walk 1 hour back to this thingy, the gondola. And now we are having fun here, and now you are explaining your state of mind.
I think I'm very close for enlightenment.
Here, it's not really difficult to get this point. If we ever know what does it mean. All right, so